This tutorial will provide you with the steps on how to upload your videos to your correlative news sites as well as YouTube using the Scripps Video Uploader version 2.3.5. Before installing the uploader, make sure that you have Adobe Air installed. Open up your web browser and go to URL encoding2.scriptsing.com. Click the Download Adobe Air link on the right-hand side of the page. Now that you have Adobe Air installed, you can go ahead and install the uploader. Go back to the URL encoding2.scriptsing.com and click the Scripps Video Uploader link at the top of the page. Go ahead and launch the uploader once it is installed on your computer. Log in with your Ellington username and password. Note that this information is case sensitive. First, you'll want to adjust your settings, which include specifying the people you'd like to notify about the video's encoding completion, as well as your YouTube account information. To do this, click on the Settings tab at the top right-hand corner of the uploader. Then, select the General tab. Next to the Email section, fill in your preferred email address or addresses. Separate more than one email address with a semicolon. Next, specify the YouTube account that you want the video to go to. Select the YouTube tab and fill in this information. Completion notifications will be sent to these people, which will include a thumbnail image from the video as well as a link to the video. This email lets you know whether or not the upload process is complete. In the case that you are notified that the upload to Ellington or YouTube has failed, you will need to manually put the video into Ellington or YouTube. Simply copy the video URL from the email and manually bring it into either Ellington or YouTube. For those who would like to publish videos on more than one newspaper site, you will need to go into Ellington after the video upload is complete and specify at the bottom of the video's information page the sites to which you want your video to go. Select all that apply. Now you are ready to bring your video into the uploader. Click the Add Video button. This is your video metadata form that provides information about your video. To add a video to the uploader, drag your video from its source into the window here. The video will automatically start playing in the uploader window. You can go ahead and press pause if you do not wish to play the video. Go ahead and fill in your title, subtitle, videographer credit, publish date, credits, and description. For videographer credit, select the videographer pull-down and select the primary producer of this video. Your description should be a 1 to 3 sentence blurb about your video, and your credits may include people who assisted in some capacity with producing this video. Once you have completed this page, click the Next button. You will then be directed to a new window where you will be prompted to choose a thumbnail for your video, as well as select the related categories for your video. Simply scrub through the video with your cursor until you get to the still that you'd like for your thumbnail and click the Capture Thumb button. Then select the categories that pertain to your video. In this section, you have the option to allocate a video to the homepage player of your site. To do so, select the category Featured Video for Homepage. However, if your site is not set up for this automation, you will have to manually add the video to the homepage_player_asphalt featured video list in Ellington. When you are done, click the Next button. You will be directed to a window to fill in your YouTube information. Select your YouTube category, description. Your description carries over from the previous section. If you'd like a different YouTube description, you may add that description here. And lastly, you must check the box to syndicate this video to YouTube. Your video will only go live on YouTube if this box is checked. Once you've completed all sections, click the Queue button at the bottom of the window. This will then add the video to the upload queue. If you have more than one video to upload, simply click the Add Video button and fill out this form for each video. Now you are ready to upload your video. Simply click the Process Queue button. Remember that once the encoding is complete, a confirmation email will be sent to the email addresses that you had originally specified in your settings. You can also check in on your status row to verify completion or to detect upload problems. The status row shows the upload status of your video for YouTube, Ellington, and the general encoding process. You will see a green check or a red X in the status row. If you experience a red X, consult the notification email that you've received and manually put the video into Ellington or YouTube. For more information about why a particular process failed during upload Right-click the red X and view details.